Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to create your account on the Hinge dating app. So if you want to create your account on the Hinge dating app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to create your account on the Hinge dating app. So after that, make sure that you already installed the Hinge dating app and simply open the app, and here you'll see the option which says create account or sign in. So click on the option of create account and click on the option of select country, and you just need to select the country where you are from. So I'll simply enter the phone number and click on the arrow like icon at the very bottom right, and from here you just need to enter the 6-digit verification code which they will send you, and click on the arrow like icon again. So after doing all of it, you'll be able to create your account on the Hinge dating app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.